Amazon, one of the world's largest companies, is now telling its employees to return to the office 5 days a week.
Amazon is demanding its corporate employees return to the office 5 days a week.
Amazon employees are walking off the job right now in Seattle.
Mary, Amazon is Seattle's biggest employer with the corporate headquarters here and 80,000 employees in the region, and now they're being told they're going to have to come back to the office every day.
Companies are shifting back to in-person work, there is a rising trend in the opposite direction. In the past few years, countries around the globe have been scrambling to attract a new kind of worker: digital nomads. This growing group of remote professionals is fueling a global race as nations create special visa programs designed to lure them in. Remote work has skyrocketed, largely thanks to the pandemic. But here's the catch. Working remotely while traveling used to clash with traditional visa rules. That's where digital nomad visas come in. It's a special visa, allowing you to live in one country while working remotely for a company based elsewhere. And it's a game changer for professionals who no longer need to be tied to an office but still want to explore the world. Here's how it works. Countries offering these visas typically allow you to live in that country for an extended period of time, sometimes up to a year or more, as long as you can prove you're employed remotely. Plus, many nations provide enticing perks like tax exemptions to sweeten the deal. There are basic requirements to qualify though. Most countries want to see that you have a steady income, health insurance, and a clean criminal record. The aim? Attract professionals, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who want the freedom to work from anywhere while diving into a new culture. The main reason is economic. Digital nomads bring money into the local economies without taking local jobs. They rent homes, frequent local businesses, and often stay much longer than the average tourist. For example, Portugal has turned into a digital nomad hotspot with its beautiful beaches, affordable living costs, and vibrant cities. These long-term visitors don't just boost tourism, they also contribute to sectors like hospitality, retail, and co-working spaces. Countries like Estonia and Croatia are also attracting a wave of professionals, many of them from the tech world, offering a win-win. Remote workers enjoy an adventurous life while local economies benefit from their spending power. Some nations are using these visas as a solution for shrinking populations or struggling rural areas, hoping that digital nomads will breathe new life into regions that need it most. So what's the strategy for standing out? It's all about offering the most attractive visa programs and making it as easy as possible for digital nomads to settle in. Estonia was one of the first to launch a digital nomad visa back in 2020 and set the pace with its simple year-long visa. Then came Portugal with tax perks and a streamlined application process. Now, other nations like Spain and Croatia are stepping up, offering flexible visas with low-income requirements or even multi-year stays. Japan, known for its tech innovation, has also entered the competition, while Thailand is playing to its strength by launching one of the longest digital nomad visas available, spanning 5 years. Countries are also investing heavily in digital infrastructure to make sure remote workers have access to high-speed internet, co-working spaces, and modern amenities, positioning themselves as the ultimate destinations for work and play. But it's not all smooth sailing. While the idea of working from paradise sounds great, it comes with challenges. The cost of living in popular nomad hubs like Bali or Lisbon has spiked, making life harder for locals. There are also legal complexities. Navigating taxes can be a headache for nomads who may find themselves in a gray area between tax laws of different countries. And then there's the issue of social integration. Digital nomads by nature are often temporary, which can make it hard to form lasting bonds in local communities. Portugal stands out as one of the most popular destinations thanks to its straightforward application process and a blend of vibrant city life and scenic landscapes. Similarly, Estonia was an early adopter with its digital nomad visa and is attracting entrepreneurs and tech professionals from across Europe. Thailand, with its long-term visa, is capitalizing on its laid-back lifestyle and affordability. Croatia's low-income requirements and stunning Adriatic coastline have also made it a fast favorite among remote workers. With over 50 nations now offering some form of digital nomad visa, it's clear that this is more than a passing trend. The rise of remote work is here to stay, and the countries that adapt fastest stand to gain the most. Analysts predict that by 2030, the number of digital nomads could reach 60 million, creating fierce competition as countries continue to innovate and improve their visa offerings to attract this new wave of global professionals. So, what's the takeaway? Digital nomad visas are reshaping the way we think about work and travel. Economies around the world are benefiting from the influx of talent and money. Countries like Portugal, Estonia, and Thailand are showing how well-designed visa programs can create a win-win scenario for all involved. And as more nations hop on board, remote workers have more freedom than ever to choose where they want to live and work.